on social media platform X confirmed by Elon Musk. Services of social media platform X were down for some times in the US and UK on Monday, according to downdector.com, a website that tracks outages of internet service. More than 21,000 users in the US and more than 10,800 users in the UK have reported X outage. According to reports, users were facing problems while sending messages, posting tweets, and refreshing the timeline on X. Now, billionaire Elon Musk has now said that X has been cyber attacked and many big groups or countries are involved in it. Musk said that we are attacked many times every day, but this has been done with a lot of preparation. Attack on ED team in Chhattisgarh. When ED officials were leaving the house of former Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel of the state, his supporters were seen protesting during the raid. When the team started coming out after the raid, people attacked them. You should control your tongue. In a post on social media, Mr. Stalin alleged Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who considers himself a king and speaks arrogantly, should control his tongue. You who are cheating by not giving funds to Tamil Nadu, are you saying that Tamil Nadu MPs are uncivilized? Canada now threatens America. Trade tensions have flared up from US President Donald Trump's decision to impose heavy tariff on Canada, Mexico and China. In response, Canada's Ontario province has announced a 25% duty on electricity exported to the US. In Bachol or his father's secret, the politics of Bihar has heated up over the statements of BJP MLA Hari Bhushan Singh Bachol. Leaders of opposition parties have become aggressive over Bachol's statements. Meanwhile, Tejasvi Yadav's statements has come. Tejasvi ripped apart Bachol and even said, "Is Bachol or his father's secret?" Tejasvi Yadav attacked and said that the statements given by BJP MLA Hari Bhushan Singh Bachol to Muslims that they should not come out on Holi. Is there any Bachol or his father's rule here? Earlier there was Jungle Raj, now there is FIR Raj. RCP Singh said while talking to journalists that Bihar's budget for 2025 to 2026 has reached Rs 3,270,000 crore. But the scale of development that should be seen in Bihar with the increasing population is not visible in the current Nitish government. Regarding the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections, he said that his party can contest election in alliance with any party. He said that there should be fear of law in democracy. FIR should be lodged only in a situation when a very serious crime has been committed. At present, there are government employees, mukhias in Bihar, their work causes embarrassment. FIR is lodged. Democracy is the rule of law, not of fear. They scare people of feeling FIR. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw advised not to do politics on rail accident. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw on Monday advised not to do politics on rail accident in the Rajya Sabha. He said that many steps have been taken by learning from incidents like the stampede at New Delhi station during the Mahakumbh. This includes creating waiting areas to reduce crowds at major stations. Ashwini Vaishnaw was responding to the discussion on the railway bill. After the reply, the House passed this bill. During this, he also said that the railway amendment bill will not reduce the power of parliament. America's all sorrow will be erased by decision. US President Donald Trump has not ruled out the possibility of recession in the country. After his statements, there was a hug sell-off in the stock market on Monday. Investors are apprehensive about the impact of Trump's tariff on the country's economic growth. Trump said in an interview on Sunday that a period of change will come in the country's economy. When he was asked if he sees the possibility of recession this year, he said that whatever we are doing is a very big task and this is a period of change. Negative GDP growth of 2 consecutive quarters is called recession. Imposition of President's rule in Manipur and state budget will be discussed in Lok Sabha. In the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee of Lok Sabha chaired by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on Monday, it was decided to discuss Manipur. Manipur is currently under President's rule and Parliament will have to approve its budget. Discussion on the budget will begin on Tuesday and has been scrapped with the debate on the second batch of supplementary demands for grants for 2024 to 25 and demands for additional grants for 2021 to 22 and 6 hours have been allotted for it. Mahila Congress protests at Jantar Mantar demands implementation of 33% women reservation. As the second phase of the budget session began, the All India Mahila Congress, led by its president Alka Lamba, on Monday staged a protest at Jantar Mantar demanding immediate implementation of 33% women reservation in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. The protest highlighted the continued pressure being exerted by the Congress party on the BJP-led central government to implement the law, which was passed last year but is still stalled due to pending delimitation and census requirements. Rahul Gandhi demands discussion on voter list in Lok Sabha. Opposition leader Rahul Gandhi demands discussion in Lok Sabha on the issue of voter list, on which many political parties have raised some questions. Raising this issue during zero hour in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi said that entire opposition is demanding discussion on voter list. The Congress leader said, "We accept your comments that the government does not make voter list, but we demand discussion on this issue." RTC gave advice to BJP. Talking aimed to the BJP government in Delhi, RTC has given a wonderful advice to the government. RTC said that not even a month has passed since the government was formed, and in the first assembly session, the BJP government has spent 95% of the time in abusing Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party. RTC said, seemingly smiling, that I would like to tell them that the election is over. Your government has been formed and the Bharatiya Janata Party has won. Now you should put a concrete plan in front of the people of Delhi and fulfill the promise made to Delhi. Do not spend 5 years only abusing Arvind Kejriwal and AAP. RTC showed Congress's splash in Goa. The relation between Congress and AAP have become even more acrimonious now. You can understand how this political relation, which is going from enmity to friendship and then from friendship to enmity, will attack each other now in Goa. RTC, the opposition leader from our party, has shown Congress its place. He has said that the people of Goa voted to bring BJP to power in 2022, but at that time, Congress won 11 seats and its 8 MLAs later joined the Saffron Party or BJP party. She said that Congress is the main opposition party with only 3 MLAs and AAP has 2 MLAs. India's first chapter will be linked with Mauritius. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit the Island nation of Mauritius in East Africa on 11th March to attend the National Day celebration of Mauritius as the chief guest. During this time, many important agreements can be signed on business capacity building and tackling financial crime on the border. PM Modi will be on a 2-day visit. The relationship between India and Mauritius is linked to culture, history and geography. Mauritius is India's close trusted maritime neighbor in the Indian Ocean. Will Stalin get the support of the rest of the parties of the India group? The issue of delimitation of Lok Sabha seats is getting hotter every day. On Sunday, a meeting of DMK MPs was held under the chairmanship of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. In the meeting, a resolution was taken to raise this issue in Parliament and ensure that Tamil Nadu does not lose even a single Lok Sabha seat. Apart from this, the DMK MPs resolved to try to garner support from political parties of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Odisha, West Bengal and Punjab. It is believed that the number of Lok Sabha seats may decrease in all these states after delimitation.